Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to connect your table of contents to specific pages within a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This technique makes your files interactive and easier to navigate, allowing users to jump between sections effortlessly. Start by launching your PDF document inside Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once it is open, head to the table of contents where the links will be added. This section acts as a guide for your file, and by connecting each entry to its proper page, you significantly improve the document's functionality. Move your cursor to the upper left and select the Edit button to reveal the necessary tools. Within the editing menu, locate the link option and choose Add or Edit a link. This tool lets you designate clickable regions. Now, click and drag to draw a box around the specific text in your table of contents that you want to link. This rectangle functions as a clickable hotspot. Ensure you cover the entire phrase or line to make it easy for readers to select. After you finish drawing, the Create Link window will pop up. Here, you can adjust the link's look, including its style, color, and line type. You might choose a bold color to make it stand out or a subtle design to keep a professional appearance. In the same window, ensure the link action is set to go to a page view, then click Next. A new box titled Create Go to View will appear. Scroll through the PDF until you reach the exact page you want to link to. Once you have found the correct destination, click Set Link to finalize the connection. You should repeat this sequence for every item in your table of contents to provide a smooth experience. When finished, close the editing sidebar. It is vital to test your work by clicking each link to verify they lead to the right locations. You have now made your document much more accessible, helping readers quickly find the information they need in long files.